Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. Grand Theft Auto 6 is taking forever to arrive, so I decided to take matters into my own hands. Using the brand new OpenAI ChatGPT Canvas tool, which doesn't just generate text and code, but also runs the code directly in Python, I set out to create my own version of GTA 6. Crazy idea? Maybe. But it sounds like a plan to me. Let's dive in and get started. Canvas features just dropped on my ChatGPT account today, and honestly, I've never used it before. So bear with me because this is about to be a wild ride. What should I do with it? Let's start big. Let's make GTA 5. Oops, I mean GTA 6, not 5. Here we go. I opened the canvas and it started generating a detailed GTA 6 proposal. Setting, gameplay features, protagonists, all the boring stuff. Not what I had in mind. Let's try again. I want you to code GTA 6 for me here in Canvas. Let's go. Much better, it seems starting to write a code. On the right side, we see actual code. On the left, we have this kind of chat where we can talk to ChatGPT and give our directions and notes. The code is ready and I hit run, but all I see is just textual output with no graphics. I ask, it is only text. I want to add graphics and controllable car with keyboard. He says to add graphics and keyboard controls, you can use the Pygame library. Here's an updated version of your script that includes a movable car controlled by the keyboard. Obviously, I can't be bothered with installing Python and Pygame as I don't look for easy solutions. I ask him, can you draw graphics without Pygame somehow in Canvas? He says, the canvas itself cannot render graphics directly. However, I can simulate graphics by using HTML and JavaScript to create interactive graphics, so I say yes, and it generates code for me, but still when running, I see error. The fun part is you can now click on the error and make it fix it right away, straight in Canvas. He patiently explains that we must save it as an HTML file and open it in a browser to test. That is what I'm doing, and here we are. It works. Yes, it works, and I can control the red car. Not bad for no coding experience, and it feels like Cursor and Copilot already. Let's improve. I ask him, make car look more like a car, not a red box. 2, add buildings around the town and roads. ChatGPT proceeds to update the code accordingly. Let's run it, and wow, it already gives me GTA 1 old school vibes. I love it. Let's improve even more. I ask him the following. 1, add more roads and buildings. 2, add attack. When I press spacebar, the car should shoot rockets. And it proceeds to update the code. Look at that. Now I can drive and even shoot from the car window. But we still miss the enemies. I say 1, make all buildings gray and align them properly on the streets. 2, add enemy cars of different colors. They go randomly through streets. 3, if rocket hits the enemy cars, they explode. He proceeds to update. I resave and run the code again in my browser. And look at that. GTA vibes all the way, isn't it? But I am not done here. Let's improve even more. I ask the following. 1, add more roads. 2, make enemy cars drive on the roads. 3, add explosion when they are destroyed. Add more buildings. He proceeds to update the code. Boom! Now we got a full Vice City all the way. The city feels a little empty to my taste. Let's improve even more. I ask, add more roads. 2, change my character to the gangster instead of a car, but make ability for me to enter different cars by colliding with them. Then I become a car and drive it and shoot. After all, I want to walk and steal some cars. It's GTA after all. All right, now I am a blue gangster rectangle, and I am stealing the yellow car. This is fun. The gameplay works perfectly. Though still not quite GTA 6 level, and where are the enemies? I don't want to be a rectangle, so I ask to improve even more. Make my character be a sprite from the file hero.png, not a box. 2, enemy cars disappeared, add them again and more roads. And while it's generating the code, which takes about a minute or 2, I am going to generate my hero avatar in Leonardo AI. I guess this one looks good. I will save it as a PNG file and go with it. And boom, look at that. The gangsta hero is no more a rectangle, but next generation graphics. Not bad. But what concerns me so far is that by editing the code, he removes the previous parts that worked well before. Like enemy cars stopped driving, the houses disappeared. I'm not very happy about it, as we are wasting time here. I ask again, add gray houses along the roads. They disappeared. 2. I don't see enemy cars driving. I only see few parked cars. Add some enemy cars driving. 3rd, add bigger blue police car chasing my car if I kill enemy cars. And while it takes time to generate, I went straight to Zine.ai to generate some GTA stylized avatars for my YouTube thumbnail. Look at that, gangsta, love it. Or maybe this one. Let me know in the comments below which you liked more. So here is the gameplay. The blue police car is chasing me, but way too fast. Come on, man. I am not happy it forgets what we did before and does not show me as a hero. I am losing my patience here as making GTA 6 is longer than I expected. I ask again, 1. Why I don't see myself as hero PNG before, entering car as before, make it as before. 2. Make police car slower. 3. Add 5 stars on the corner and I lose stars if police touches me. And boom, now it works. Though I don't see the hero image and remain a red rectangle. The police is chasing me all right, and yeah, we even got a win-lose condition. Not bad. This feels almost like GTA 6. We just need few more tweaks, and it's ready.
1 eternity later.
All right, guys, it took a while, but worth the wait. Our GTA 6 is ready, and I promise I did not generate this with Sora. Let me know what you think so far of OpenAI Canvas tool, and if you are going to use it in your coding. That's all for today. Have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe.